Do you want to know if your product is doing well in the market?
Yes, I would like to know in statistical terms.
The answer is hidden in the test statistic called one sample t-test.
Please, tell me more about it.
I will tell you. But, if you want full details, visit Titocan Mark Solutions YouTube channel to learn everything about one sample t-test.
I will. But, tell me some now.
However, what you have to do is check if your product's average rating really differs from a market benchmark. To check for this, the one sample t-test is your tool. It compares the mean of a single sample such as your product to a known value such as the market benchmark. That is, it checks if the average of your single product differs from a known market benchmark, thereby helping you determine if the difference is statistically significant.
So, one sample t-test is the perfect key to check if my product is genuinely loved by users.
Yes, you are right. To learn more, visit Titocan Mark Solutions YouTube channel to see the full video.
Yes, I will visit the channel to learn full details. Thank you.